Welcome to Venice, a city of timeless beauty where every canal and cobblestone street tells a story. In this video, we'll journey through the enchanting canals, iconic landmarks, and hidden gems of Venice. So, let's dive in. Chapter 1. The Grand Canal. Picture yourself gliding along the Grand Canal on a Vaporetto, Venice's main artery. This majestic waterway, stretching over 2.3 miles and shaped like an S, is lined with historical palaces that whisper tales of grandeur. Fun fact, the Grand Canal has been a vital trade route for centuries, connecting the city's rich mercantile past with its vibrant present. Chapter 2. St. Mark's Basilica and Piazza San Marco. Next stop, St. Mark's Basilica and Piazza San Marco, the heart of Venice. Marvel at the basilica's stunning Byzantine mosaics and intricate architecture, a testament to Venice's artistic heritage. And don't miss the piazza, often called the finest drawing room in Europe by none other than Napoleon himself. Pro tip, visit early morning or late evening to soak in the beauty without the bustling crowds. Chapter 3. Gondola rides and hidden canals. Ah, the quintessential Venetian experience. A gondola ride through the city's serene, lesser-known canals. These quiet waterways reveal a more intimate side of Venice, away from the tourist throngs. Imagine gliding under quaint bridges and past charming buildings as your gondolier serenades you. A romantic gondola ride typically costs around Euro 8120, but the memories are priceless. Chapter 4. Iconic bridges and hidden alleyways. Venice's bridges are iconic in their own right. The Rialto Bridge, the oldest in Venice, offers spectacular views of the Grand Canal. And the Bridge of Sighs, connecting the Doge's palace to the prisons, holds a legend. Couples who kiss under it at sunset will stay in love forever. Now get ready to lose yourself in Venice's maze-like alleyways. These narrow streets hide quaint cafes, artisan shops, and picturesque views, perfect for those who love to wander and discover. Chapter 5. Food and drink. Let's talk about food, Venetian style. Indulge in sarde in saor, marinated sardines, or sample cicchetti, Venice's version of tapas. And don't forget to enjoy a refreshing spritz by the canal, a local favorite. Chapter 6. Venice at night. As the sun sets, Venice transforms into a glowing spectacle of lights and reflections. The quiet streets and illuminated canals create an almost magical atmosphere, perfect for a peaceful evening stroll or a scenic night ride on a Vaporetto. Chapter 7. Travel tips. Before you go, here are some handy travel tips. The best times to visit Venice are April to June or September to October for pleasant weather and fewer crowds. Wear comfortable shoes. Venice is best explored on foot. And avoid rolling suitcases. The streets have many steps and bridges. Whether it's your first time or your 10th, Venice never fails to inspire. Thanks for joining me on this journey. Don't forget to subscribe for more travel adventures. Ciao! Like, subscribe and hit the bell icon for updates.